Hello, my name is Erica and I'm going to be teaching you how to do slime. So you're going to take glue. I'm going to be using this for HUNE. Just put some inside the bottle. Not like a lot. Like, squeeze it in, you know. Okay, that's it. Take a scoop. It don't fit in, so I'm just going to go like this. And just put it, and mix it. And then you're going to add like fruit dye. So just open it somehow. Okay. And then you just add like 2 drops. That's good. Oh, that's big drops. This thing can be that big. Alright, and now stir it. I know it's already purple, but I'm just gonna make it blue now. Alright, now shake the shaving cream. And just, yeah, like really shake it. And just pour it on there. Mix it, and this will make like your slime fluffy, and that's what the shaving cream is used for. You're gonna take your contact solution and just put a lot in, because like you can't just put a little bit, because that'll activate the slime. That'll make it nice and slimy. And once you got it in, just mix it. Okay guys, I used a little bit too much shaving cream, and that's why I ended up so big, so I had to use a lot of contact solution. But if it ends up too sticky, you can leave it out for a little bit, or you could just add a little bit more shaving cream and contact solution, and it'll make it less sticky. Bye-bye! Sorry. You didn't take out these parts, right? Alright, anyways, just... It's awkward, so awkward. We can cut them out. I'll see you. Well, I won't really see you guys, but